Welcome to Best Choice. The best Liso Brasileno Keratina is probably one of the most talked about hair treatments in the beauty world right now, and for good reason. This kit promises to transform frizzy, unruly hair into sleek, smooth perfection. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the Liso Brasileno Keratina Kit, exploring its ingredients, application process, and, most importantly, the results. Get ready to find out if this keratin treatment is the holy grail you've been searching for. Number 5. Olaplex Number 3 Hair Perfector. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This treatment is designed to repair and strengthen your hair from within. It's perfect for all hair types. This concentrated formula works to rebuild broken bonds in your hair. It helps to restore your hair's healthy appearance and feel. This product is a hair perfector. It helps to repair and strengthen your hair. Use it to bring your hair back to life. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this treatment can help. It's designed to work on all hair types, providing noticeable results. Give your hair the care it deserves with this repairing treatment. It will leave your hair feeling stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Try it today. What we like. This product focuses on repairing and strengthening your hair. It's designed to rejuvenate and fortify each strand. If you have dry or damaged hair, this is a great choice to bring it back to life. What people say. The product works very well. The hair is very soft and shiny. The product is easy to use. Number 4. KATIVA Brazilian Keratin Treatment Kit. Introducing the KATIVA Brazilian Keratin Treatment Kit. This kit offers a formaldehyde-free solution for straightening your hair at home. It's designed to give you smooth, frizz-controlled hair for up to 12 weeks. This complete bundle includes everything you need for a Brazilian straightening treatment. You'll receive a smoothing mask, shampoo, and conditioner. Plus, it comes with an 8.6 fluid ounces bottle. The straightening treatment and shampoo are both vegan and cruelty-free. They are also formaldehyde-free and made without added salt, sulfates, or gluten. The ingredients are of natural origin, designed to be gentle on your hair and scalp. This treatment helps keep your hair smooth for up to 12 weeks. It works on all hair types with excess volume and frizz. It leaves your hair softer, shinier, and straighter with proper care. It's powered by hyaluronic acid and plant-based keratin. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and improves flexibility. The vegetal keratin supports the hair fiber, reducing damage and making your hair stronger and healthier. The daily shampoo protects against frizz and humidity. Using it regularly helps keep your hair disciplined, smooth, and healthy looking for longer. It's the perfect addition to your routine. What we like. This kit offers long-lasting frizz control and is made with a clean, vegan formula. It uses hyaluronic acid and plant-based keratin to hydrate and strengthen your hair. If you are looking for a treatment that aligns with your values and keeps your hair smooth for weeks, you should consider this. What people say. My hair feels healthier than it has ever felt. It is so soft and shiny. And I can literally wash my hair, brush it and go, and when it dries it is still straight and not poofy frizzy. The package came and there are several steps. It takes a lot of time and patience. When I was done and got in the shower to rinse the cream out, I can tell you that I noticed my hair felt thinner. I have naturally very thick hair, but it felt less heavy. Then I washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner provided. After I got out of the shower, I did not put any product in my hair and I blow dried it. It looks exactly how it looks when I get a blowout at the salon. Again, no product and no flat iron yet, just a simple blow dry. I am amazed. My hair is usually very frizzy and I wouldn't even bother to blow dry my hair without using a defrizz product, but somehow this product in the process has cut the frizz. I live in a very humid environment and it's still hot and humid here and still, no frizz. I haven't even flat ironed it yet. My hair was damaged but now it is very shiny, very smooth and straight. Number 3. KATIVA Brazilian Keratin Straightening Kit. Introducing the KATIVA Brazilian Keratin Straightening Kit. This at-home system helps you achieve sleek, manageable hair. Get ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth locks. Enjoy results that last up to 12 weeks. The kit is designed to tame volume and give your hair a natural, polished look. Results may vary depending on your hair type and routine. This kit is suitable for natural, dyed, or bleached hair. It supports softness and shine while smoothing and controlling volume. Please note that color appearance on dyed hair may vary slightly. The kit includes everything you need: a shampoo, smoothing mask, conditioner, and heat protectant serum. The shampoo preps your hair, while the mask helps tame frizz. The conditioner detangles and softens, and the serum protects during heat styling. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, plant-based keratin, organic argan oil, shea butter, and amino acids. These ingredients work together to improve smoothness, softness, and shine without weighing your hair down. The process takes about 3 to 4 hours, depending on your hair length and thickness. Remember to apply the Potion 4 serum before using heat. Ensure proper ventilation during processing due to the scent. What we like. This kit provides a complete smoothing system, including a heat protectant serum. It's suitable for various hair types, including color-treated hair. If you like a comprehensive solution that protects your hair during styling, this is a great option. What people say. The product works very well. The hair is very soft and shiny. The product is easy to use. Number 2. Kerazon Buriti Liss 4-ounce Brazilian Keratin Treatment. Introducing Kerazon Buriti Liss, a keratin treatment suitable for all hair types. This imported treatment will transform your hair, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Experience immediate results with this treatment, which is also safe for color-treated hair. You'll see a noticeable difference right away, without compromising your hair color. Forget about long waiting periods. This treatment offers immediate results, so you can enjoy your revitalized hair without delay. There's no downtime, just instant beauty. This treatment repairs damaged hair and helps prevent breakage. It works to strengthen your hair from the inside out, promoting healthier and more resilient strands. Get ready for shinier, stronger, and straighter hair. This treatment will give you the sleek, manageable hair you've always wanted, making it easier to style and maintain. What we like. This treatment provides immediate results and is safe for colored hair. It repairs damage and stops breakage, leaving your hair shinier and stronger. If you want a quick fix without downtime and have colored hair, you should consider this. What people say. Straightens my hair, saving me time for months. My hair texture is the same, however my curls are more defined and I have a lot less flyaways. The smoothing, taming effect lasts for a few weeks, in my case. My hair looks shiny, smooth, and silky. Number 1. Honbeanify Ecosmetics Brazilian Keratin Delux. This revolutionary product is designed for professional use, offering faster and straighter results. It's a deluxe keratin treatment that will transform your hair, leaving it smooth and manageable. The treatment provides progressive straightening, improving with each application. It's a 1L 33.8 FL Dadas bottle, offering ample product for multiple uses and long-lasting results. This product is specifically formulated for professional use, ensuring salon-quality results. It's easy to apply and provides a superior straightening experience. Experience faster straightening with this advanced formula. It significantly reduces the time needed to achieve perfectly straight hair, saving you valuable time. This deluxe keratin treatment nourishes and strengthens your hair. It leaves the hair looking and feeling healthier, with a beautiful shine. What we like. This product is designed for professional use and promises faster straightening results. It comes in a large volume, making it suitable for multiple applications. If you are looking for a professional grade product with a high volume, this is the one for you. What people say. The product works very well. The hair is very smooth and shiny. The product leaves the hair with a lot of movement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.